Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to the weekly Forex analysis video for the week starting from 24th June 2019. So as you can see on the screen, we managed to generate more than 400 pips of profit from the market last week. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more future content like this and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll meet you after the intro. Okay traders, before we get into this week's analysis, let's take a look at the quick recap of the last week's weekly prediction. So as you can see on the screen, this is the weekly prediction that I posted on YouTube last week for the euro dollar pair, and this is how that worked out, and we managed to generate about 109 pips of profit out of euro dollar last week. So next, this is the Euro New Zealand analysis that I posted here on YouTube, and this is how that worked out. We only managed to generate 33 pips of profit, but still it was a nice profitable trade. Okay, our next trade was on pound dollar. This is the pound dollar analysis I posted on YouTube last week, and this is how that works out. As you can see on the screen, we managed to generate 152 pips of profit last week from the pound dollar. Okay, this is the last analysis that I posted on YouTube last week on dollar yen. As you can see, this is how that worked out, and we managed to generate about 105 pips of profit out of the market from dollar yen last week. So altogether, it is more than 400 pips of profit last week from the market. So this week, the first pair that we are looking at is dollar franc. Okay traders, as you can see, dollar franc was in a downtrend since the beginning of May, and if I draw a line for this impulsive movement to the downside, and if I clone that line, you can see that this is a nice harmonic move occurred in the market. So this is what we call a lightning bolt or ABCD pattern. Okay traders, so as you can see, we have a nice level of structure at this point too. You can see that market made some considerable movements around structure levels, so we can expect for the market to move upside from this point. So how can we enter the market at this point? Okay, here is how we can do that. Let me bring in my Fibonacci extension tool. Okay, all right. So for entering this trade, we want to look an entry pattern, a candlestick pattern or chart pattern inside this highlighted zone. Okay, so wait for some sort of entry signal inside this highlighted zone, or then enter the market to go long, and your profit targets will be at the 786 retracement of this swing. So which in this case at this point, so it will be a profit of, it has a profit potential of 260 pips. Okay, That is great. Sorry about that. Okay, our next stop is in euro dollar. All right, traders. In euro dollar, we have a potential uh, Gartley pattern completion. So, first of all, let me draw a Fibonacci retracement in this swing, and as you can see, we are in right on top of this 786 retracement level. So this uh, is a completion of nice Gartley pattern. Okay, like this. Okay, it's a nice Gartley pattern, but as you can see, we can see that the market made this impulsive movement to the upside. So if we clone that move, you can see that there is a harmonic move completing at this 886 retracement level. So most probably market will reverse at this 886 retracement level. But so first, what we can do now is wait for the market to make some sort of entry signal inside this highlighted zone, and then enter to go short in this market. Okay. So if market moves anything higher than this level of structure, this point, okay, what we can do is wait for the market to go wait first, let me draw the Fibonacci extension here, and if we see the market moving anything higher than this point in the market, then what we can do is wait for the market to come into this zone and enter the market at this point. So if market pushes into this point, then it will be a nice butterfly pattern. Okay, it will be like this. It will be I'm sorry, it will be a nice butterfly sell pattern. Okay, actually it's like this. All right, it will be a nice butterfly sell pattern if it pushes up to this point, or if we see any entry signal inside this box, then it will be a nice Gartley pattern. So minimum this pair has a profit potential of 150 pips, which is great. And our next stop is at Euro Aussie. Where is it? All right, at Euro Aussie. There's supposed to be a Gartley pattern in this pair. Here we have in Euro Aussie 1 hour chart. We have a nice Gartley sell pattern completed in the market. So we can enter the market aggressively as soon as the market opens in the morning. So in the Monday morning. Okay. As you can see, market is right at the 786 retracement level now, and you can see we got a lower low, lower close candle in the market. So that would be our entry signal. So we can enter the market to go short as soon as the market opens in the Monday morning. Okay. So this is the pattern that we are looking at in this pair. So for the profit target for this trade, we would take this 786 retracement level as our final profit target, and we would take partial profits at this 382 and 618 retracement levels. So this pair has a profit potential of, okay, all right, 112 pips of profit potential in Euro Aussie. Okay, traders, that is the weekly analysis for this week. But before we finish up this video, I want to show you something special in gold dollar. Consider this a gift for our 400 plus pips of profit week. Okay, traders, so at a glance this market may seem a bit random, and we may not see any pattern completed at the market, but let me show you something in the market right now. Okay. If I bring in this curve, oh, I'm sorry about this. Okay, my touchpad does not work well, I don't know why. Okay, this is what we are looking at. As you can see, traders, this was a nice cup and handle pattern completed in gold dollar. Okay, and this was a huge pattern. As you can see, it covers a lot of territory in this gold dollar pair. So if we calculate the profit target of this pattern, we will do it the old-fashioned way. First, let me draw a line here and clone it and place it at this breakout point. Okay, traders, so the profit target for this pattern is at this point. Okay, so if I zoom out this chart, I think yes, here we go. If I zoom out this chart and place a horizontal line at this point in the market, you can see that this is a nice level of structure that has been respected in the past. So we can expect the gold dollar pair to move all the way to the upside to this 1484.07 structure level. Okay, now how we can enter to go long in this pair? Let me zoom in. Okay, like this. Right, so what we can expect out of this pair is we should wait for a retracement to the downside, and then we should enter the market to go long at the bottom of that retracement. We should wait for some sort of entry signal like a higher close candle or a candlestick pattern or something like that. If you don't know about candlestick patterns or how to analyze candlesticks, go to Kingmaker Trading channel and you will find a video on how to analyze candlesticks named Ultimate Beginner's Guide episode 2, I think. So if you want to check out, if you don't know about that, go check that out and you will learn how to enter trades. Okay, and after that retracement made, we should enter the market to go long, and our profit target will be at this point. And as you can see, it will be a huge profit target of nearly thousand, I'm sorry, yes, nearly 1000 pips of profit. Okay, last week we, okay, so last week we had a movement of 700 pips in this market, so we can absolutely expect this market to move 1000 pips in this week. So as you can see, we have these huge momentum candles, wide bodied candles to the upside, which indicates the high momentum, high bullish momentum in this market. So we can expect this market to go all the way to here. Okay, that is the weekly analysis for this week, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about this analysis, and share the video for me. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more future content like this, and let's meet in the next video.